You want to learn how to use time-based effects to add ambient to width to your mixes? Using auxiliary buses for time-based effects can be beneficial for both the CPU of your computer and also for a more consistent sound in the project you're working on. I'm going to break down step by step on how to create an auxiliary track, how to add the time-based effect, and how to send that to a different track such as a vocal. So if we jump right into Pro Tools, you'll see I have a vocal track up here. As you can hear, there's no reverb on it. We're going to send a reverb to it though. So what we want to do is create a new auxiliary track. If you hold Shift Command and N, you should get this window right here to pop up. And then you could change this to stereo, change this to auxiliary, and then hit create. After that, we want to add the reverb. So we go to the inserts, multi-channel plugin, reverb, and I'll do one that comes with Pro Tools. So I think this is one. Yeah, this is the one that comes with Pro Tools. So I added the reverb. That's step one. Step two, you want to create an actual bus for it in the input of the auxiliary. So you go to the where it says no input under the IO section. You go to bus and you create one. I have some name, but I'm going to go to one that's blank so you guys know that it's not anything preset. So if I go to bus 27 and 28, you see it's there. Normally I would rename this to keep consistency throughout my project. So if I double click it, right click it, then go to rename, I can rename it, but I'm not going to do that. Step 3, after we have added the time-based effect to the track, the auxiliary track, and then change the input to the bus where we want it, we want to actually put it in the send section of the track that you want it on. If you do not see the send section on your in your DAW, if you come over here and hit this little piano here and drop down where it says sends A and E, R, F, and J, you can click that and it will make the sends appear or disappear. Just make sure it's checked for it to appear. So we want to go to the sends and we want to go to bus and we want to look for the one we just added, which was 29 and 30. So we go here, bus, we go to 29 and 30. With that, you should then get a send level window. This is just telling you how much of that auxiliary track send do you want to send to this track. I usually hit command and click it and bring it to unity. Command click. I don't know what's happening. And bring it to unity. After that, you will see that the reverb is starting to work on that vocal. As I can change the parameters to add less or more, and you would hear the difference. And simple as that, you can add any time-based effects to any desired track without using too much CPU and keeping consistency throughout your project. Once again, it's your boy Josh Reith with Young Kings Entertainment, mixing tips and tutorials. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up on this video. And stay tuned for the next video next week.